Hello, so these are the Titan anti-slip clips. These clips, as you can see, are powder coated in a safety yellow, a high-vis safety yellow. These clips are made of galvanized steel to prevent rusting. As you can see here, I'm showing you the anti-slip barb. This barb is built into these clips to prevent them from sliding off the galvanized steel grating once they are installed. So they last for a very long time, up to 10 years or more. On top here, you're seeing the barbs are open tight, so they prevent any buildup or debris from building up on this anti-slip product, and that ensures they last a very long time. This coating that we use is actually a powder coating for extra anti-corrosive properties. Here now, we'll show you how this product is installed on this grating. These can be installed with a simple rubber mallet in seconds. The high-vis safety yellow creates a distinctive edge for staircases. And there we have it, Titan anti-slip clip.